The Boraam Square Rush Backless Counter Stool solves the problem of finding stylish seating that tucks neatly under your counter to save space. Its backless design pairs a hand-woven rush rattan seat with a durable rubber wood frame, creating coastal-inspired seating that complements any kitchen or bar area. Customers say it looks great and feels sturdy with solid construction, supporting up to 300 pounds. The square seat is lightweight and easy to move with floor glides to protect your hardwood floors. It's available in multiple finishes and heights.